In this video, I'm going to go over how to solve this word problem that involves radicals and exponents. So this problem says two numbers, m and n, are each greater than 0, and the third root of m squared is equal to the fourth root of n. What value of x is m to the 3x minus 2 power equal to n? Alright, so for any word problem, you always want to write out what they first give you. Okay, so we want the third root of m squared. Okay, so third root of m squared is equal to the fourth root of n, so equal to fourth root of n. Then it wants for what value of x is m to the 3x minus 2 power equal to n. So on the SAT, you get these weird word problems that you're not used to. Sometimes you're not sure how to start it or even solve it. It's not that it's hard to actually solve, but coming up with the method to solve it is the problem. Okay, so you notice we basically want to get n to the first power and see what that is equal to m to whatever power. Okay, so if I had the fourth root of n, how do I get this into just n? Okay, now to write these in exponent form instead of radical form, the fourth root of n is same as n to the 1/4 power. Okay, so the numerator is the exponent on the variable, and the denominator is the root. Okay, so n to the 1/4 power. This side be m to the 2/3 power. Okay, if I want to get n to the first power, I'm going to have to take that to the fourth power. And when you do it to one side equation, you got to do it to the other side, so raise it to the fourth power. So n to the 1/4 times 4. And when you have an exponent raised to another exponent, you multiply them together. 1/4 times 4, 4 over 4, or just 1. So you get n to the first power. On this side, left side, m to the 2/3 to the fourth power. Again, multiply 4 times 2/3, you 8 over 3. Okay, so n to the first power is equal to m to the 8/3 power. Okay, so from there we want, n is equal to m to the 3x minus 2 power. What value of x will make that true? So we know that m to the 8/3 power is equal to n. So you basically have m to the 3x minus 2 power equal to the m to the 8/3 power. So if these are equal, that means the exponents are equal. So just set those equal to each other. 3x minus 2 equals 8/3. Add 2 to both sides. And 2, is also 3 or 6/3. Okay, so you have like terms there. Add those together, give you 14 over 3. So 3x equals 14 over 3. Then divide both sides by 3. X will give you 14 over 9. Okay, so our answer is x is equal to 14/9. So when x is 14/9, m to the 3x minus 2 power will become 8/3, and that's why we need that x value to give us 8/3 in the exponent, so it's equal to n to the first power. So that's how you solve this problem. First set up the equation. You translate it from words to mathematical expression. Third root of m squared equals the fourth root of n. Okay, and they wanted n to the first power, so we got to multiply. Take it to the fourth power on both sides. They get n to the first power is equal to m to the 8/3 power. And we figure out what x needs to be so that the exponent is also 8/3. Okay, all right, and that's how you solve this problem. Thanks.